Welcome back, dear viewers, to another exciting journey into the world of investments. Today we've got an extraordinary adventure planned for you. We're diving deep into the ever-intriguing realm of stock investments, specifically those hidden gems trading at their 52-week lows. But this is not just any ordinary exploration. We're unveiling 3 captivating stocks that have found themselves at a crucial juncture. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's embark on this thrilling ride together. In our ceaseless quest to unearth extraordinary investment prospects, we have set our sights on a particularly promising avenue, the intriguing realm of stocks that have descended to their 52-week naders. In this thrilling exploration, I have the distinct honor of being your unwavering guide, your financial mentor, affectionately known as Uncle Paul. It is with great excitement that I extend a warm welcome, as we embark on a riveting journey through the enigmatic world of investments, illuminating not 1, not 2, but 3 captivating stocks that have serendipitously converged at this pivotal juncture in their market odyssey. Our primary focus today rests upon JD.com, a distinguished and illustrious entity hailing from the vast realm of Chinese commerce. It is no secret that the Chinese stock market has navigated through a series of tumultuous waves in recent years, with turbulence and uncertainty often acting as the guiding stars. Against this backdrop, our mission today is crystal clear. We embark on a journey of meticulous exploration and thorough examination, with JD.com as our guiding star. Our odyssey unfolds by laying bare the financial anatomy of JD.com, piece by piece. We are set to embark on a comprehensive and precise dissection, unraveling the threads that weave together its fiscal health. In this endeavor, we shall leave no stone unturned as we scrutinize the intricate financial intricacies that define this company. The journey does not halt here. It extends further into the horizons of growth. We are ardent seekers of truth in the realms of corporate potential. Thus, we pledge to thoroughly assess the growth prospects of JD.com, acknowledging the fluid nature of the stock market and the myriad factors that influence its course. Moreover, we stand committed to a critical evaluation, a rigorous examination of the very foundations upon which concerns have taken root, ultimately driving JD.com's stock price to a significant nadir, a 52-week low. Our aim is to dissect these concerns, peel away the layers of market sentiment, and unveil the core, seeking to ascertain whether the concerns are founded in reality or merely the fabric of speculation. Together, we shall embark on a profound and intellectual journey deep into the heart of JD.com, unearthing valuable insights and wisdom along the way. Our mission is clear, and the path is illuminated with curiosity, inquiry, and a quest for the truth that shall guide us in our venture. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of JD.com, a beacon of commerce in the vast sea of Chinese markets. Now, let's shift our focus to Southwest Airlines, a company that holds a special place in my personal investment portfolio. The story of Southwest Airlines is nothing short of fascinating, and its stock price journey is akin to a roller coaster ride through the financial markets. Picture this: during the tumultuous early days of the pandemic, I embarked on an investment journey with Southwest Airlines. At that time, the price per share was a modest $25. It was a period of unparalleled uncertainty, and the aviation industry faced unprecedented challenges. Yet, I saw something promising in Southwest Airlines, a company known for its unique approach and solid track record. Fast forward to a subsequent chapter in this journey. As the stock price climbed, I employed a strategy involving covered calls. For those unfamiliar with this strategy, it entails selling call options against the shares you own. In this case, a portion of my Southwest Airlines holdings was called away at a share price of $48. This means I had to sell those shares at that price, resulting in a profitable transaction. However, as is often the case in the stock market, the share price has experienced fluctuations. Presently, Southwest Airlines is trading at just below $35. This dynamic underscores the inherent volatility of the stock market, where prices can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, economic conditions, and industry trends. In my ongoing strategy with Southwest Airlines, I'm adopting a patient approach. I firmly believe that the future will present further opportunities with this airline company. I am poised to take advantage of potential price declines, as I anticipate that these dips will offer an attractive entry point for new investments. Southwest Airlines, with its unique business model and resilience, has a place in my investment portfolio, and I'm committed to navigating the waves of the stock market to optimize my position in this intriguing company. Southwest Airlines is often likened to a recession-resistant stock within the airline industry. This stems from their efficient management practices and their dedication to a singular aircraft type, which allows for cost management par excellence. In the following segments, we will embark on an in-depth financial analysis of this airline giant, seeking to understand its fiscal health and the potential avenues for future growth. The third jewel in our collection of stocks for today is none other than Thermo Fisher Scientific, affectionately referred to as TMO by those in the know. This is a truly extraordinary enterprise, distinguished by its core expertise in the realms of scientific instruments, laboratory equipment, diagnostics, and life science reagents. As we set sail on this voyage of exploration, we are bound by a singular mission: to unravel the intricate tapestry of Thermo Fisher Scientific's financial landscape with a discerning and astute gaze. Our ultimate objective is to fathom whether the stars have aligned to present us with an alluring investment opportunity, particularly in light of the company's current position at the zenith of a 52-week low in stock price. With Thermo Fisher Scientific as our guiding star, we shall embark on a comprehensive expedition, navigating through the labyrinth of financial metrics that define this eminent establishment. It is our solemn duty to leave no stone unturned as we delve into the intricate details that compose the company's fiscal profile. The financial intricacies that underpin this enterprise will be subjected to thorough scrutiny, and no nuance will escape our vigilant assessment. However, our expedition extends beyond the mere realms of numbers and balance sheets. In our relentless pursuit of wisdom and knowledge, we shall scrutinize not only the past but also the potential future. With unyielding resolve, we will endeavor to gauge the growth prospects of Thermo Fisher Scientific, for the stock market is a dynamic and ever-evolving entity, where the possibilities are as boundless as the cosmos. Furthermore, we understand that no expedition is complete without a thorough evaluation of concerns and doubts. It is with an unwavering commitment to impartiality that we will critically examine the foundations upon which concerns have taken root. These very concerns have contributed to Thermo Fisher Scientific's stock price reaching its 52-week nadir. Our aim is to dissect these apprehensions, separating conjecture from fact, and uncovering the essence of their validity. Together, we embark on this intellectual odyssey, a journey of enlightenment and exploration, as we delve deeper into the heart of Thermo Fisher Scientific. Our mission is unequivocal, and the path ahead is illuminated by the beacon of curiosity, inquiry, and an unyielding quest for the truth. Join us as we unfurl the enigma of TMO, a cornerstone in the world of scientific innovation, and assess its worthiness as a potential investment opportunity. Our journey will involve an in-depth exploration of TMO's 8 pillars, an assessment of its growth potential in terms of revenue and profit margin, and a detailed exercise in determining precise target prices. Keep in mind that these are not short-term speculations, rather, we're engaging in a meticulous and deliberate examination of the potential for long-term investments. When delving into the intricate world of investment, one cannot overstate the paramount importance of making well-informed decisions. Knowledge, my friends, is the golden key that not only unlocks but swings wide open the doors to triumph in the realm of investments. It is, in essence, the beacon that lights the path to prosperous financial endeavors. With this philosophy in mind, I extend to you a heartfelt invitation to join our thriving and vibrant community, a sanctuary of investment enthusiasts where wisdom is not just shared but magnified. It is a community that thrives on engagement and intellectual exchange. Here, you'll find like-minded individuals who share your passion for investing, all eager to explore and understand the intricate workings of the financial world. The crown jewel of this invitation is a generous offering, a free 7-day trial, a window into a world of possibilities. This trial grants you access to our powerful suite of stock analysis tools, designed to empower you with profound insights and a comprehensive understanding of our investment approach. But it's not just about tools, it's about transformation. During your trial, you'll experience firsthand the potential for growth, learning, and financial wisdom. It's an opportunity to test drive our software, learn the ropes, and feel the rush of being in control of your financial destiny. You'll find yourself engaged in discussions, absorbing valuable insights, and enhancing your financial acumen. This immersive experience is your chance to walk the talk, where theory becomes practice, and ideas crystallize into strategies. Armed with this knowledge and access, you'll emerge equipped to make well-informed investment decisions, navigating the complexities of the stock market with confidence. Your presence is a valued asset to our community, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude for joining us. Your journey towards financial mastery is only beginning, and together, we shall embark on an exciting adventure towards financial enlightenment. Thank you for tuning in, and welcome to a world of endless possibilities. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our deep dive into these fascinating stocks at their 52-week lows. I hope you've enjoyed the journey as much as I have. Remember, in the world of investments, knowledge is the key to success, and that's precisely what we're here to provide you with. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. And, if you're hungry for even more in-depth analysis and the powerful tools we use, why not take advantage of our 7-day free trial? Join our thriving community and gain the knowledge you need to make informed investment decisions. Thank you for being a part of our financial journey today, and as always, stay informed, stay engaged, and keep investing with confidence. See you in the next video.